And in other news, the Chairman, Chief Executive Officer of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, retired Brigadier General Buba Marwa, has revealed that in the last 2 years, the agency has seized 750 tons of illicit drugs in their port. He stated this during the inauguration of the NDLEA Marine Command Headquarters, a facility built and donated by the British government. Senior correspondent Ivy Kano reports.
The arrival of the dignitaries kick-started the program at Eko Atlantic Victoria Island in Lagos. It's a result of a partnership between the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency and the British government. For the Director Seaports Operations, this is a dream come true.
The journey to this point was not without its challenges. The land initially allocated for the project overlapped with the properties belonging to Satellite Oil and Gas and Eko Atlantic, which was crucial for access. In the true spirit of corporate social responsibility, such companies generously conceded.
The Deputy High Commissioner justifies the reason for the support, and of course, the NDLEA chairman states that maritime routes have long been exploited by drug traffickers.
We've seen an increase in drug detections, both in Nigeria and in the UK. And so that shows us two things. Firstly, that there is a clear need for us to work together to tackle drug trafficking. But it also shows that our efforts are paying dividends.
We have had at least 4 trafficking cases in the last 2 years involving merchant ships, personal vessels, including luxury yachts, modified pump boats, and fishing trawlers are also being employed in this growing drug trade.
Governor of Lagos State couldn't have been happier, as he believes this will check infiltration of illicit drugs into the country.
As we celebrate this achievement, we must not lose sight of the devastating impact drug abuse has on individuals, families, and communities. We must continue to work together on education, prevention, and rehabilitation.
For the NDLEA, this is a partnership worth every penny as the British government hands over the maritime headquarters. With the lowering of the British flag and the hoisting of Nigerian flag, and NDLEA flag marks a collaboration that is working, as they intend to hand over a clinic to NDLEA next week. The Maritime Intelligence Unit embarked on simulation exercise by the NDLEA divers to the delight of the guests. Ivy Khan, TVC News, Lagos.